things about having dogs and being in the vehicle and plugging your phone in. I've got an iPhone, so I need to use the lightning to USB cord. But my dogs, they jump through and the cords are out. You can tape them down, it doesn't matter. The dogs destroy them. They tear my shit up. So I just got this new Dewalt lightning to USB for iPhones. It cost me 24 bucks. The cord is got Kevlar in it, but it's got a lifetime warranty. Guaranteed tough. Lifetime warranty. Guaranteed tough. And I got it at Ace Hardware. So Ace is the place to be. They do a good job. They treat their customers well. Let's see how long this one lasts. Most of them last about 30 to 45 days. I'll let you know.